Hey guys, I have today Asus ROG Zephyrus GU502G gaming laptop to unbox and give my first impressions. This gaming laptop is small, compact and comes with the latest hardware. So let us see what is there in the box. The packaging comes similar to the previous laptop. It is got a very nice packing. So once we open, we get the laptop. The accessories provided with this laptop, as it only cost around $2,000 to $2,200 or 1,50,000 Indian rupees. This laptop doesn't come with much of the accessories. Only we can get a adapter and a power cable. With that we get some kind of documentation that we have to refer to understand the hardware of this laptop. And the specification of this laptop are: it has got a 15.6-inch of IPS display with full HD resolution and has a refresh rate of 144Hz, which gives you an amazing display experience. It is powered by the 9th generation Intel Core i7 processor, which is the latest processor, which is 10% faster than the 8th generation one, and it is coupled with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of SSD. This laptop has got a graphics which is of NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti, which is the latest graphics card from NVIDIA. It has got Ethernet port, HDMI and 3 USB 3.0 port, a headphone jack, a microphone jack, USB Type-C, and it features a Windows 10 OS, and the weight of this laptop is just 1.9 kg. Asus has been slowly and steadily populating the Zephyrus line of gaming laptop. The latest from the Asus, the GU502, is a compact 15-inch gaming laptop that weighs around 1.9 kg. Not only the laptop is lightweight, it is also surprisingly compact 15.6-inch gaming laptop. Asus says that this was possible thanks to the new chassis design. This new chassis is made up of high-quality plastic but still does not skip on the bling gamers expect from a gaming laptop. On the top lid is a brushed finish along with a large backlit ROG logo, while the area around the palm rest and the screen has a matte finish. There is a large responsive trackpad and chiclet style keyboard with individual backlit keys, plus you get all the ports one would expect on a gaming laptop. The gigabit Ethernet, HDMI, USB ports, USB Type-C port, and even individual jacks for headphone and mic. We hope a lot more brands get inspired from this design and start offering the gaming laptops that are compact and lightweight. So this is the unboxing of a GU502 Asus ROG Zephyrus laptop. Hope you like this laptop, and the detailed review I will bring in my next video. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.